So the part 13 of ABAT exam preparation is about two major terms, IEP and IDEA, or also known as IDEA, that we use in ABA. What does IEP stands for? Basically, it's Individualized Education Program. Meanwhile, IDEA or IDEA stands for Individuals with Disabilities Education Act. So basically, IEP is about a program or plan. IDEA is basically about an act or rules. An IEP is a legal document developed for students in the US who qualify for special education services under the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act IDEA. So basically, as per what IDEA says, if someone is qualifying for special education, then a legal document will be developed for those students, and that legal document would be IEP, which was based on what? IDEA. This document or the IEP outlines the students' educational goals, the services they will receive, and how their progress will be measured. The IEP is customized to meet the specific needs of the child, which means that you can't just make one IEP and use it for all the children. You have to make individualized, specific plans for each children to meet their specific needs. IDEA is a federal law that ensures children with disabilities have access to free and appropriate public education tailored to their individual needs. IDEA guarantees special education and related services for eligible children and emphasizes individualized instruction and services to support their educational growth. Now, this might sound confusing. Consider an example. There are two children, child A and child B, and child A and child B both are at the center for the special education service. Now, after the assessment, after going through IDEA, after going through the Education Act, we find out that the child A is eligible for special education. Meanwhile, child B is not eligible for special education. So the child A, whose eligibility was based on IDEA, then there will be an IEP for that child. An individualized education program will be developed for that child, for the child A, because he was eligible as per IDEA. I hope it is clear now. IDEA is basically federal law confirming the eligibility, and IEP is the plan which is made for the child, for the children after their eligibility is ensured. What is the primary purpose of an individualized education program? To outline educational goals and services for students qualifying for special education. Under which law is the IEP mandated? Individuals with Disabilities Education Act IDEA. What does IDEA ensure for eligible children with disabilities? Access to free and appropriate public education tailored to their needs. What is emphasized by IDEA in the education of children with disabilities? Individualized instruction and related services. Which of the following is included in an IEP? Educational goals, services to be provided, and progress measurement. So this was all about today. Thank you for watching.